showing you a purchase of the Raybee site. They had a deal for 50% for Black Friday, and this is a collapsible. You can use it as a closet, a container, but it has doors in um, openings on the sides and front. So it did came in with instructions, very easy. Um, on the instructions, it will show you the parts list that you expect to be receiving, and you should check it before anything, because that before you start assembling them, it tells you step by step, which is actually easy, as you will see how easy it is. So this is the step one, and unlike other furnitures that I have assembled, this one is easier. So it came in folded. Just showing you the manual quickly, but it came in folded, right? You don't have to like screw. You don't have to have like spend like hours on this one. This literally take just minutes. So basically you'll just have the A and B for start, and that A and B items is just gonna snap together. So here it is. So that's part A, and that's part B, which is just the snap for the next level of the closet. And then here's what I'm talking about. So it came in folded, right? So you just open it up. That's the first layer, the first floor, if you want, or the first level. So just open the left and right and the front and back. So you can do it with one hand if you want, but um, just easier to do it. I'm just gonna show you quickly, but you're just gonna stand it up like that, and there's a snap for the next step. Um, the part that snaps it all together, so you can attach the next level. And then this is it. I'm just gonna show you quickly. I know it's painful to watch when you're just using one hand, but yep, that's it. All you need to do is make sure that it snaps in. That part holds it together. Again, I'm just showing you here. So now all you need to do is you have to just align it, right? Align it, and here, snap it. Just make sure that they're pushed in, and now it's tight, right? You check that. That's it, literally like a minute. I mean, it took longer because I had to show you, but here's the next level. After that, it's 30. It has that opening, it opens. So there's the second level, right? Well, actually, that's the top. I'm just showing you. So if you just want to assemble it with just one level, you can do it right away. But then here's putting in the second level. So there's like 3 levels of the same, just the same step. So you just snap it. Again, it's very easy. Snap it. That's already in there. It's already snapped in. Same. Open it up, and it's literally just the same step. So here's the next part that holds it together again. snap, no screws to use. So now it's the same thing. Make sure it clicks so it's, you know that it's snapped on correctly. In actual installation or setup, without using any camera like this, it's gonna take faster. It's taking me longer because I'm showing it to you. But that's it. Snap it together. Just align and snap, and just push, and make sure that it's all aligned, corners. So that's it. You snap it. That's second level is done. And I did try to push with that one. It has like 2 side doors too, so that's, you know, it's actually convenient. And I did try every level. It is sturdy. It can hold, but don't go crazy about any heavy stuff. But you can, but just be very mindful. So again, if you just want to stop at the level 2, you're good. You can just cover it up. That's the top level. But here's the final level. So this came in 3 levels. I did a reverse, so you just have to just if you did it like I did, just like turn it around, because it was a reverse. It was in a reverse direction. So here it is. It's the same step. I just have to show you so you can see how it is, but it's faster than this video. All right, same step. Snap, snap, snap. And then you can now put the cover. So that's the final step for that assembly, right? Cover. And I make sure you check the sides, because you have to actually snap. You're supposed to snap it as you go, but you can snap them closed, or it's just a lock for each level. So you just snap them as you go, or you can snap it or closed it when you've assembled the 3 layers. You'd have to like put it in a corner, like just to make sure that it locks in. But here's the 3 doors. There's the front doors. That's the one I was talking, because you know you pay for it. You get what you paid for. But that is easy to just put back. I was using one hand, but you just have to just place it from the top, and then just bend it a little bit, and it should be fine. It's not broken. I just grab it, like I just pulled it like really strong. But with this kind of furnitures, it's plastic. It is sturdy, but it's plastic. It's not like, you know, the wood ones. That's why it's cheaper. It could hold your stuff temporarily. And I did check the layers it holds, especially if you put it on a corner. Just leave the space on the sides if you want. If you plan to use the side doors, which however or whatever you want to use this for, it's up to you. But you can use it as a container, clothes, or your bathroom accessories or any items that you want to just tidy. You just want your room to be tidy or space to be tidy. This is perfect for it. Very, very easy to install. It can hold weight, so again, don't go crazy about the weight, but that's it. So far, it's looking good. It should be an addition. It should be a nice addition to your experiment in getting these items from either Timo or new sites. This one is Raybee, so it's the first item that I've purchased from Raybee. We'll see how long it will last. I will put an update, but there's a lot of use to it. So just see if this one works for you, for your items, for any accessories or any. You can even put documents in there if you want. And also, not to forget, there's that one part that I forgot to put in, but here it is. There's like wheels, so it's easier for you to move it around. So it's just a snap-on wheels. It's very easy. You just push it in, it clicks. You don't have to use a screw, and that's it. And you stand it up. I had to lay it down so I can put that wheels, but here it is. It does help it maneuver easily and not to break it, but it's good.